Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, as everyone knows, Omegle has been banned. When you are going to open the website and when you are going to click, you can see this Omegle has been banned. So I'm having 6 websites just like Omegle. You can chat with random people online. The first website is this chat hub. It's like Omegle, you can talk with strangers. And number 2, I'm having this website chat random. You can see you can also talk with stranger over here. The third website is meet new peoples over here. You can see the interface looks something like this. The fourth website we are having meet new peoples, also chat spin. You can see over here is online. The fifth website is joiner. You can see over here you can talk with random peoples as well over here. And the sixth and last website is meet peoples. You can see you can still talk with random peoples right over here. So guys, a small video, and that's all in this video. I hope you like. Don't forget to subscribe.